Hello and welcome back. I want to solve another question on cycle theorem problem. The question says if angle COB is equals to 110 degrees and angle BCA is equals to 26 degrees, find the values of 1. Angle CBO, 2. Angle CAB, 3. Angle OBA, 4. Angle CBA, and 5. Angle OCA. Now looking at the diagram, it looks big and a bit complex, right? But don't worry yourself about too many things on the diagram. Just concentrate on the option they ask you to find, right? Okay, so if I want to look at this diagram carefully, I'll observe that the angles obtained at the center is 110, but it is forming itself in a triangle. Can you see this triangle? So if I observe that triangle critically, you'll see that it is an isosceles triangle. This 110 degrees is formed inside an isosceles triangle. So I can give this aspect this to show that this is an isosceles triangle. So if I bring it out now, let me bring it out. So I have this portion and this portion, and this portion is 110 degrees. And recall that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if I call this x, it means this is also equal to x. But we all know that the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180. So we have x plus 110 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus x will give you 2x plus 110 is equals to 180 degrees. So 2x is 180 minus 110. And 2x is 180 minus 110 will give you what? 70 degrees, right? So if we have 70 degrees, we have x is 70 divided by 2, which give you 35 degrees. So if x is 35 degrees, that means this angle here is x and is equals to 35 degrees. Hence, we have gotten what? CBO, right? Look at it here. So this answer is gotten, and this is equals to what? Angle CBO. So this is I. Now let's go to II. II say we should find angle CAB. Angle CAB. That means we are looking for this angle. So if I call this angle Y, right, I have to find Y. But observing critically, we'll see that to solve this problem, we have to observe that this angle is obtained at the circumference of a circle. So it has a relationship with the angles obtained at the center of the circle. And we know that one of the laws says that the angles obtained at the circumference of the circle is half of the angles obtained at the center, or the angles obtained at the center of a circle is twice the angles obtained at the circumference of the circle. Irrespective, we can now say y is equals to 110 divided by 2, which gives you 55 degrees. And this is equals to angle what? CAB. So we have gotten that. We have answered the second question. The third question said we should find angle OBA. Angle OBA. That means this angle here. This angle here. That's what we are looking for, this angle here. So if I call that angle, maybe let's say Z, then I have to also observe critically. Let's say I want to look at this triangle. Look at from this portion to this portion, back to this portion. I will have a triangle, right? Okay. Let's say I bring out the triangle now. We have the triangle like this portion, and then it connects. So this angle here, look at it, is B, this one is C, this one is A, and this entire angle is x plus z. So this is x plus z, and this angle here is 26 degrees. Then this angle here is y, which gave us what? 55 degrees. So let's also recall that the sum of these angles here must be equal to 180. So we have 26 plus x plus z plus 55 must be equal to what? 180 degrees. Nice. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So we have 26 plus x plus our z. We don't know it, but we know our x. Our x is what? 35. So we can write 35 here. And then z plus 55 is equal to what? 180 degrees. So 26 plus 35. This one is 11. And this is 6 plus 55 plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So this plus this will give you what? This one will give you 6. And this one will give you 11. Plus z is equal to what? 180 degrees. So z is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. So z is equal to 10 minus this is 4, 7 minus this is 6. So we have 64 degrees. And z correspond to the angle we are looking for, which is what? OBA. So it's equals to angle OBA. So this is I. Now let's see the next. They say IV, they say we should look for angle CBA. Angle CBA. Oh, we've just worked on this, but in another way. That means we're looking for angle B. And angle B is the sum of x and z. So IV. So we're looking for angle CBA, which is x plus z. So if x is 35 and then z is 64, then that angle CBA will be equal to this plus this is 9 and this plus this is 9. So it gives us 99 degrees. Okay, the last but not the least. He said we should find angle OCA. This angle OCA. That's this little angle here. That's what we are looking for. We'll call that angle T. T for Mr. T. So we'll be having, recall that we already have 26 here, right? And then we found that this total angle here like this correspond to x, which is also 35 degrees from the isosceles triangle we did, right? From this place, you know, it's like this, it cuts through this way. So there is this angle we are looking for, which is angle T, but this angle is 26 degrees. So if the total angle is x, it means x is equals to T plus 26. So T will be equals to what? X minus 26. And since x is 35, we have to subtract 26 from it. So this will give you what? 9 degrees. So what it means is angle OCA is what? 9 degrees. This brings us to the end of this solution. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Bye for now.